Hello, hi, good evening. Now let me show you how to create a structural model for the same house project. Okay, so here is an example house project, but this is not complete somehow. Okay, because some important beams and walls are not created still. Okay, so I'm going to show you from the beginning. Let me close this file and I'm going to create a new file. Okay, I'm going to show you from the basic. We have our architecture file. So this is architecture 7. This is the architecture model. Okay. So this is a architecture model. For this architecture model, I'm going to create a structural model. Okay. So in case if it's a load bearing structure, then we do everything with the bricks. In case if you are doing it with the columns and beams or framed structure, then we need to start from the footing. So that has to be modeled as separately. I'm going to show you how to create that. The same principle can be used for a bigger apartment project also. Okay, so watch this video till the end, you will understand better. Let's go to file, close. Okay, let's go to new. So I'm going to take a structural template. Okay, structural template for structural file. Say okay. Once you create the file, save this file. So here I have already created one file and that's named as 00. I'm going to name this as 01. Options. So let's have a backup. Number of backups 1. Save. So now the file is created. Now we have to create a structural file with respect to the architecture file. The architecture file is already there, so we have to create a new one. So then you have to link the architecture model. Okay, so let's link the architecture model. This is the latest architecture model. So now just pin it, so you don't have to change it. Okay, so pin it, then go to an elevation. So first what we need, the number of levels should be uh, match with architecture level. So you can have a different level also. It's better at least if you have the number of level which is already there in the architecture file. Okay, so let's not get confused. I'm going to make this as underlay and half toned so that our structural file you can see clearly. Okay, what's there in the structure file and what's there in architecture file, you can see clearly. Okay, now I'm going to annotation. Let's take levels. The number of levels we need to understand. Let's go to level 1. At least let's take a section. View, let's take a section. Go to view, and now you can see, so this is the architecture level. These are architecture level and this is my structural level. Okay, so first we have to create levels. Okay, so this is structural level 00 is matching. What we have to do to create levels, you can actually copy monitor. I can show you. Go to collaborate tab and here copy monitor, and you are going to use a link to copy the levels. So select link, select the link. Now you can select the architecture link. Now you can enable copy, and you can also say copy multiple, but I'm going to copy individually. If you want to monitor, you can enable monitor also. Okay, so here I'm going to copy and I'm going to just select one item, and you can see a symbol. This means this item is copied and it is being monitored. If you don't understand what is monitoring, then don't worry, no problem. In the when you're working with the 4 5 people, then you will understand what is monitoring. Okay, so for a quick understanding, I'm going to tell you. So we are copying the level from architecture file. In case the architecture file level is moved up or down, then Revit will show you a notification if the monitoring is enabled. If you want to disable the monitoring, you can disable. Okay, select. Now you can see I have created all the levels. So if I have any extra level, then I can delete them. Okay, so this is ground level. Once you finish, you just finish it. Okay, level 1, we have level 0 also. We don't have to delete anything. The delete selection, let's uncheck. This is level 2. And this is level 1. Okay, just copy this one also. And you have to be very clear. This is level 0, level ground level 0, then level 1, then roof level and rooftop. So this level we don't need, so delete. Okay, and you can finish. If you want to stop monitoring, so if you don't want to get the notification, you can select and stop monitor. If you want to monitor again, you can go to monitor, select the level, select the level from the link, then you will monitor. Okay, and finish it. Now let me just hide Revit link. Now you can see this is your, now you can see this is your structural file levels. So that we have just copied from architecture link. Okay, so select everything and assign scope box. Okay, now it looks neat. Then I'm going to enable architecture. Okay, so here when we are creating a structural plan, what's so important is we have to follow the architecture level. Then we can actually copy all the slabs from the architecture level. Okay, we can copy all the slabs from architecture level. Then we can do our framing. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the I'm going to create all the beams first. Let's go to view, then plan views, structural plan, and bring all the structural plans here. Go to level 0. So this is my Revit file. Go to visibility graphics. So in the visibility graphics, customize and select all. Okay, so but I need to see all the walls. I need to see all the walls. Let's go to view, floor plan, and take all the floor plan also. So this is my floor plan. Level 1, if I go, I can see all the wall for all the architecture. plan. I'm going to make it as a coordination. So this is my architecture floor plan. I'm going to draw the beams. So how I'm going to draw the beam? So wherever the wall is coming, the beam is going to come. That's it. A very simple method. Go to structure. So if you want to see them clearly, close inactive, take a 3D view. I've just hidden the architecture link. Hide in view category. The levels, let it be WT. I'm going to draw the beam. Take a beam. I need 300 by 400. Okay, 300 by 600 beam. Okay, just follow the center line and draw the beam. So this is my beam. Just to draw the beam first. You don't have to worry about anything else. Okay, just to draw all the beams. So wherever you can draw the full length beam, then you can draw. Otherwise, so just to draw wherever you can draw the beam. So now we are creating a framing. Right. So here, from here to here, and here to here, and here to here. Draw a beam. Okay. What do we need now? So this beam, we can extend it till here for better strength. And here also we can have a beam. Okay, that's it. Let's switch on architecture file. And then see how it's matching with the, let's switch on all the wall. This has to be coordination discipline so that you can see all the wall. So whatever you don't need, just hide in category. Here we need just a wall. Okay. You can just copy, align to the same place. This is a wall. but it's a structural wall now. Then the slab. All the slab you can copy paste, just a copy align to the same place. Then you will get a slab. So this is my slab, structural slab. Actually, you can edit the same slab and then extend the slab till here. Everybody model the slab differently. Why? Because it depends on how do they want to schedule them, how do they want to manage the information inside Revit. Okay. Now actually we have to align this beam to the wall. So let's just align this beam inside the wall. Go to modify, align tool, align. Okay. Just align inside. Now the beam is aligned. So, and you can also copy the same to the next level. So before that, I'm just going to make sure that this is aligning properly, because the ground floor is a little bit different. Once you finish the ground level, you can just copy paste to the next level. It will be easy. Okay. Okay, right. Now let's just focus on ground level. Right click, orient view, level 0. This is actually the ground slab. I can actually copy paste the same. So I'm going to copy line to the same place. So here we have steps to go down. So better, let me just change this location, beam location here. I don't see them here. We need another beam. Select, create similar. The line is here. Okay, just align to the surface. Select, change the plane to level 0. So now this is the level 0. Finish. Then so this is an architecture level. So we have to keep everything minus 50. That's better. Minus 50. Okay, this is our level. We have steps, right? So let's go to visibility graphics, switch on all the category. So this is my first step. So let's just select all the steps, select all the steps. Okay, visibility graphics, hide everything, choose staircase only. Okay, select one by one. You can give a tab to select. You have to highlight, then select, copy, and align to the same place. So here you can see we have all the steps here now. Switch on all the category. Okay. On this side, Now we can correct the level for level 1. We can correct the framing for level 1. So let's go to this is level 1. Okay, go here, visibility graphics. And check the framing. So this side is a little bit different. Okay, now I can extend the beam till here, and the slab also can be extended till here. Here also we have so, and then so we should have our slab till here. So let's just copy paste these walls for an example. Just copy, align to the same place, then hide architecture model and extend the slab. Okay, trum, 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 trum. Just delete these walls and put a beam. Align them to this edge. Okay, now they are aligned. Let us check this plan. Looks good. I think these beams are not required. If required, we can just extend this beam. That's it, looks good. Let's go to the next level. Okay, let's go to the next level. Before I copy, I'm going to make this as -50. Copy all the framing elements only, floor and structural framing. copy and align it to the selected level, roof level. If I increase the height, then I can see here, right? Now switch on architecture. Yeah, so whatever is extra, we can just remove them. Finish. These beams are not required, right? Delete. 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 That's it. Okay, now we have ground first and second. Now we can put all the columns. Let's go to structure plan level 1. Take the columns. Take this concrete column. Okay, so let's put it in the edges. Wherever you think you need a column, then you can add. So at least 15 feet once we need a column, right? So that's it. So this can be till here. This column can be removed. Okay, so instead of that column, I can remove this column. Okay, so now this beam is supported fully. This is a overhang. These are supported. These are connected. and these three are secondary beams. That's it. We go to view, 3D view. So these are our columns. Select all the columns only. Selection filter, columns, copy the same, or in case if you want to increase till the roof level top, we can increase roof top until roof level top. So now we can see these extra columns, right? Just take them till level 1 minus 50. Okay, select all of them, check only structural columns minus 50. That's it. Now we can put all the foundations. Structural columns minus 15.0. So this is my foundation level. In case if you think minus 2 feet 2 meter is required, then you can go till 2 meters. Then you can add foundations, structural isolated foundation, earth columns, select all the columns one by one. You selected all the columns, right? Finish. By default, it goes to the bottom of the column. That's right. So now let us check is any column is going outside the boundary. Let us check. Now everything is looking good. In case if you think you need a wall foundation, then you can add a wall foundation also. Actually they are minor, so we can leave it as it is. Right. Oh, this is a beam. This beam can be aligned till here. Right. Just for a support. Or you can put a wall also. All right, that's it. Let me know what do you think about this structural model. Okay, if any changes needed, then you can change it based on the architecture intended drawing. That's not an issue. Okay. To create a framing plan, so let's take that into another video. Let's see them in another video. Today I'm going to I'm just showing you how to model the structural model. That's it. Okay, the step is very important. you are creating a structural model for the architecture intent model. So when you're creating a new model, select the template and then link the architecture model, then copy monitor all the levels and grids. In case if you can copy any architecture model element to make use of uh, make use of it in the structure model, then you can copy from the architecture model. And monitoring elements is a choice. You can monitor or you don't have to monitor, but you have to copy from the architecture file so that the levels and the model size will be same. Then after that you can develop the model for structure purpose. Okay, so keep that in mind. That's all for the day. That's all for the day. Okay, so in the next video we'll show you how to do the plumbing model for the same house building. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.